Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's video, we'll learn how to fix keyboard double typing on your MacBook. If your keyboard is repeating letters when you press a key once, or typing duplicate characters, this is usually caused by key repeat settings or input timing issues in macOS. Let's fix it step by step using built-in settings. First, open System Settings from the Apple menu in the top left corner of your screen. Once it opens, scroll down and click Keyboard. This section controls how your MacBook handles typing, key response speed, and repeat behavior. Now look for the Key Repeat option. If it is set too fast, your Mac may register a single key press as multiple inputs, which can cause double typing. Move the Key Repeat slider toward the slower side and test your keyboard behavior. This reduces accidental repeated characters. Next, adjust the delay until repeat setting. If this delay is too short, even a slight long press can trigger repeated typing. Increase the delay slightly so that keys only repeat when you intentionally hold them down. If this video is helping you so far, please like the video and subscribe to DelftStack for more quick Mac and iPhone tutorials. Now also, check an important accessibility setting. Go to System Settings, then Accessibility, and open Keyboard. Make sure sticky keys and slow keys are both turned off. Sticky keys can interfere with modifier behavior, and slow keys can delay or misread input, which sometimes feels like keyboard duplication issues. After adjusting these settings, restart your MacBook to make sure everything resets properly and the new configuration applies system-wide. As a final software check, if the issue only happens in one app like Safari or Notes, try closing and reopening that app or testing in another app to confirm it is system-wide and not app-specific. And that's it. Your MacBook keyboard should now stop double typing and respond normally again. Thanks for watching this DelftStack tutorial video.